Manchester was abuzz with activities recently as farmers and small and microtourism operators celebrated the handing over of 12 projects under the Jsif implemented and World Bank funded Rural Economic Development Initiative Redi project. With assistance from Redi, these groups received financial as well as business development support in the areas of business management, disaster mitigation, integrated pesticide management, project management, greenhouse technology and organizational strengthening, all of which have helped to sustain these businesses and foster economic independence for community members, as they too have benefited through gainful employment.
Redi represents a focus on economic development of rural developments through the development of businesses.
What Redi seeks to do is to provide training to groups to build their capacity to understand what needs to do, to understand how they manage their farming as a business or how they manage their craft operations or tourism entity as a business. So they take critical decisions.
The cash injection of over $51 million from the Jsif implemented and World Bank funded project saw to the construction of greenhouses, breeding stock improvement, technological advancements and product development.
In terms of the Redi project, it's a great opportunity for us to be partnered with the government of Jamaica and the Jsif on financing this project, because we recognize here in Jamaica that the communities really they have to drive the development.
And after months of hard labor, the beneficiaries, like proud parents, were eager to showcase samples of their handiwork. While it was a day of smiling, the beneficiaries are the first to admit that there was a time when it seemed easier to throw in the towel. But they stayed the course and are now reaping the sweet benefits of their hard labor.
Before Jason, we used to be like madams, up and down and all over the place, not organized. But through Jsif, we are organized.
Let's take a closer look at the impact that Redi has made on the lives of ordinary persons from two very diverse businesses. First to stop, the Jamaica Creative Cooperative, JACC. Prior to assistance from Redi, the members from this group were experiencing marketing difficulties until
Sunday, May 16, 2012, the Gleaner and the Observer newspaper carried a Jsif advert calling for proposals from agricultural and tourism groups. That advert had creative power because it sparked life.
With the establishment of the JACC, these artisans have a place to call home. The JACC is already generating a lot of buzz as it caters to nostalgic appetites both home and abroad. Key to the cooperative's growing success, the transference of training into practice.
We did get training in marketing and also in presentation, you know, how to label and how to make our products attractive to the public. And we found that, you know, it comes in very, very useful.
For those who can't make the journey to Mandeville, your authentic Jamaican products are just a click away at creativejamaicans.com. Next stop, the hills of Old England, where we find two greenhouses that tell the story of the commitment, patience and ambition of the members of the Old England Greenhouse Association.
Before Redi, we always have what you call open field farming, and it wasn't so progressive as now, because since we acknowledge the movement of Redi, this is called greenhouse technology. After we tap into it, we get to understand that this is better. We do better farming because of the protective environment.
In keeping with their business training, the group has already identified prospective markets prior to the reaping of their crops.
What we plan to do is to increase our greenhouses.
In addition to the greenhouses, the association received an automated drip irrigation system where fertilizers and water are moderately fed into the soil, water storage tanks, bathrooms, and a storage area. You too can realize your dreams of becoming a budding entrepreneur and help propel Jamaica towards further development. All you need to do is organize a registered cooperative, benevolent or friendly society, have a profitable agriculture or rural tourism business idea, and apply to Jsif. For more information on Redi, visit Jsif's office 1C to 1F Pawsey Road, Kingston, or log on to jsif.org. And remember to like our Facebook page.